Burullus Lake is situated in the north of the Nile Delta. It covers an area of 20,000 hectares and is 65 kilometers long. A narrow sandbar separates it from the Mediterranean Sea. Before the construction of the Aswan High Dam, the lake received the Nile floods in late summer and autumn. The lake includes a noteworthy number of environments with swamps and sand plains prevailing, and constitutes an ideal habitat for 135 land and water plant species as well as an important stopover point for migrating birds. The area is densely populated, with approximately 1 million people living around the lake. Social studies revealed that approximately 185,000 people interact with the lake on a daily basis. Hydrology. Many migratory birds come to Lake Burullus and are protected under the Ramsar Convention. 97% of the water in the lake is a result of agricultural drainage, while the remaining water comes from rainwater and groundwater. Each year 16% of water in the lake gets evaporated back into the clouds while the remaining 84% flows back into the sea. Environmental diversity at Lake Burullus. This protectorate features a number of environments, most significantly the sand plains and salt swamps. Also, there are high sand dunes present. The atmosphere makes it an ideal place for more than 135 species of migratory birds that migrate here to escape the harsh winters. Why was Lake Burullus made into a protectorate? Lake Burullus was declared a protectorate to conserve its biological diversity and also to provide endangered species a natural habitat whose endangerment was a result of the human activities. Also, making the lake a protectorate helped in monitoring environmental changes and in encouraging natural or ecotourism in Egypt. Its protectorate status also helps in conducting applied scientific research. The lake helps in protecting natural resources, especially those that are of economic significance. Wildlife. Lake Burullus is home to about 33 species of fish, 23 species of reptiles, 112 species of birds, and 18 species of mammals. Initially, when the lake was made, there were over 52 species of fish, however their number declined due to the decrease in salt concentration caused by the inflow of agricultural water into the lake. Fishing and aquaculture. Fishing is very important for the local people. The traditional boats, markebs and felucas, are still used. Fishermen use traditional techniques, various kinds of nets, as well as taking advantage of the reeds. Unfortunately, many illegal fishing methods are also currently practiced. In the past, local fishermen would make their own fishing nets as well as ropes out of their old nets. Hunting. Waterfowl hunting has been a constant in Egypt since the dynasties, and the frescoes on the walls of old Egyptian temples signify the economic importance of birds. People used waterfowl for food, decoration, medicine, education, domestication, sport and religion. At present, wild birds are still shot and trapped throughout Egypt's wetlands and deserts. There are two types of waterfowl hunting, commercial and sport hunting. Many locals, mostly fishermen, hunt waterfowl during the winter months, especially when birds are abundant around the lake. They either kill the fowl or trap them alive and sell them to middlemen either locally or in city markets. Sport hunting is practiced for pleasure and the hunted birds are consumed by the hunter's family and friends. This activity is organized by shooting clubs based in Cairo and Alexandria that hire lakes from the local governorates and use them as hunting reserves during the winter months. Use of other wetland natural resources. Reeds are abundant in Burullus Lake and locals harvest and them into mats which are used in variety of purposes in the nearby community. Spirituality and belief systems. Burullus occupies the northern part of the Kava el-Sheikh district, which was the center of worship for the god Amun-Re. The ancient city of Zwa, which stood on the site of what is now the village of Saka, was capital of the 6th Lower Egyptian nome, an administrative area. The sanctuary of the Church of the Virgin Mary is located there. It is alleged that the child Jesus left his footprint as a bas-relief in a rock during a journey through the delta with the Holy Family. The rock was kept hidden for many centuries to protect it from theft and was unearthed again around the end of the 20th century.